Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of the Spark program. Now this is Orange Crescent in Orange Grove in St. Andrew, and this road is one of the roads that are being done over under the Spark program. This constituency is, I think it's called Samuda, because the roads are being done over by a constituency. Every constituency gets a certain amount of roads to be fixed in it. So this is Orange Grove. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. We will keep you guys updated on this project, and we're going to start showing you all those Spark roads that are under construction. Now the Spark program is a $45 billion road improvement project in Jamaica. It is actually the largest road improvement project in the history of Jamaica. The highways cost more money, but the Spark program doesn't work with highways. It works with main roads, community roads. Basically, the roads that the NWA would be responsible for. The main roads, the parochial roads, which the parish councils would be responsible for, and the farm roads, which RADA would be responsible for. So they're going to fix over 2,000 roads in all, and this is the one of the roads, and it's going to be done per constituency. I think half the money is being used, divided up per constituency, and the other half is given to the NWA to fix the main roads. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Oh, before we go, the Spark program is different from the REACH program. The REACH program is a $5 billion program to patch the road. So if the road has a pothole, they'll just patch it. The Spark program, as you can see, they have dug up the entire road and they're going to pave it over, put in drainage, etc. So it's two completely different projects. Basically, they are building a new road here. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Have a good day. Yeah.